Can you hear me, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the first segment is brain. So this is the brain. The brain is what? The brain is the center of your thoughts. And the brain is divided into parts, four parts, right? Diencephalon, cerebrum, and the brainstem. And the brain also has got four lobes. So the lobes are what? The name of the lobes? Frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe. So these are the four lobes of the brain. And next is liver. So this is the liver. The liver is the largest organ, second largest organ in the human body. And among the glands, if you see the glands, you will see that liver is the largest gland in the human body. And the liver is divided into four lobes. So the name of the lobes are left lobe, right lobe, quadrant lobe, and caudate lobe. So these are the name of the four lobes of liver. So this is liver. This is the model of the liver. This is heart. This is a specimen, and this is the heart. The heart is under which system? Cardiovascular system. And the heart is divided into how many chambers? Four chambers, isn't it? Right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. So these are the name of the four chambers of the heart. And the heart is divided, there are three layers in the heart: epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Your voice is not clear.
Okay, what about now? What about now? Can you hear me? Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the heart, and the heart lies where? In the mediastinum. Mediastinum means in between your lungs. This is your lungs, isn't it? So it lies in the middle, the heart. So this is your heart. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is small intestine. So the small intestine, they are 22 foot long. The length of the small intestine is 22 foot long. And the small intestine has got three parts. First is jejunum, and the ileum. And the small intestine, they come under the digestive system, or else you can say gastrointestinal tract.
Voice is not clear.
Your voice is not clear, ma'am.
Okay, you see the chat box, can you see? Have you seen chat box एक बार देख लो. देखा है कि नहीं? Have you seen the chat box? So, what is written? The small intestine comes under the digestive system. This is also known as what? Gastrointestinal tract. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is kidney. So, we have got how many kidneys do you have? What two kidneys? And the kidneys, they are bean shaped. The kidneys are bean shaped. And you can see that the kidney, they have got three areas. Three areas of kidneys are there. and those are capsule, cortex, and medulla. Capsule, cortex, medulla. So these are the name of the three areas of kidney. And the kidneys comes under the urinary system or else yes, that is one excretory system. Is it clear about kidney?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is stomach. So this is stomach. The shape of the stomach is J. Stomach is J in shape. And the stomach, it comes under the digestive system. Understand? It comes under the digestive system. And the stomach, it is responsible for digesting the food. It is responsible for digesting the food which you take, and they also help in chemical breakdown process. The stomach helps in chemical breakdown process. And the stomach, HCl is there inside stomach. This hydrochloric acid helps, which helps the food in the breaking down process. Next is lung. So this is lung. This is the right lung. You have got two lungs. So this is two lungs we have. The lungs are responsible for you to breathe. The lungs, it comes under the respiratory system. It helps you in breathing out as well as breathing in. The lungs also helps in what? Taking in oxygen and taking out carbon dioxide. The lung helps you in taking in oxygen and taking out carbon dioxide. So this is like larynx, they are also known as the voice box. And the larynx, they are responsible for the respiratory system. The air is passing through this larynx. It passes through the larynx, the air. And where do they go? They go to the lungs. They help in that. Okay. Is it clear, everyone?
Lungs comes under the respiratory system, no? Mhm.
Respiratory means what? They must be breathing in and breathing out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here exchange of gas occurs. Exchange of gas like carbon dioxide and oxygen. Do you understand? Okay, did you understand everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, your first sessional exam is approaching. Do you have any doubts? First sessional exam is approaching. So, any one of you have any doubts? Anyone? Do you have any doubts?
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, what is centromere?
Centromere.
Ma'am,
Yes,
is it middle point of chromosome, no?
yes. The chromosomes may be together at this point, which is known as centromere.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone else? Anyone else? Only one student has doubt. Others, everyone is clear. सिर्फ एक स्टूडेंट का डाउट था, बाकी स्टूडेंट सब क्लियर, मतलब ना सब फुल मार्क्स मिलेंगे. Every one of you will secure full marks, right? No doubts, anyone? Yes.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, only mark is having doubt. What about others? What about others? What about others? Please join the chat box. You all
Hello,
chat
ma'am.
in chat box.
Ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, can you say about the telophase?
Telophase.
I don't understand this.
Can you see the screen? Mafia?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Okay, so in the telophase, what happens? The mitotic spindle appears. Mitotic spindle, you remember, right? So here spindle fibers occurs. Here spindle fibers, they are like what? Semicircle. So what happens in the telophase? They will start disappearing. Understand? They will start disappearing. So that they will divide, right? Since they will be divided into two cells, that's why the mitotic spindle fibers, they will disappear. Understand? And what happens here? The nuclear envelope, they again reform. I mean, they again grow. Are you clear? Are you clear, Mafia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else?
Hello, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, which phase form spindle fiber? Is it telophase?
Yeah, telophase.
Okay, ma'am.
In the spindle fibers, in the telophase, the spindle fibers they start disappearing, and what happens? The nuclear envelope they will again regrow. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear, everyone? And for your first optional, you will have 20 questions. One mark will be 10, and 2 marks will also be 10. And time limit is 45 minutes. I will send you the link, and in the link itself, you will find everything. And what you need to do, you need to fill up your details, that is your names, your enrollment numbers, and as well as your department. And after that, you can proceed. You can appear the exam. Is it clear, everyone? Yes, Tariq Ahmed is important. Cell cycle. Yes, cell cycle will come exam. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? If it is clear, we will end the class. Is it clear?
Yes,
Say
ma'am.
something. Okay, then thank you, everyone, and best of luck for the exams. Oh, yeah, MCQ. Freshman COC. Yes. Yes, 2 mark questions will also be MCQ. 1 mark will also be MCQ, and 2 mark questions will also be MCQ. Oh, okay, shall we end the class? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then thank you, everyone. I hope you will do well in your exam. No more questions, no? Okay, all the CR from all the departments, please give me the attendance in the WhatsApp. Have you done collecting the attendance, all the Okay, then thank you everyone. Okay.